that he has done so much for the restoration of peace in our state. It is because of his initiative and his dynamic leadership he could bring a great change and brought this popular government restored to the state. He has done so much, we must appreciate for what he has done for us. And we still expect that he will continue to lead us and bring peace and development in our state. His government, the governor, has put all this important vision and commitment for his government. Just now, read out by the Honorable Senior Minister. I feel it is a very meticulously planned and presented before all of us, the August House. And with this, we will be able to do so much development in the current year of our government. We have 1 year to go, and this current year, this vision put up by the Honorable Governor will surely enhance peace and development in our state. We, on 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of February, we were invited to Delhi and led by our Honorable Chief Minister. We met all the important leaders in Delhi, including Prime Minister, Home Minister, Finance Minister, Defense Minister, and many other important leaders in Delhi. We came to understand that the central leadership is so concerned for Manipur. We are so touched with the concern and love expressed to us by our leadership in Delhi. We came to understand that we have no dread of fun or anything else, but we have to perform here. And even to restore peace, the leadership in Delhi is happy with us. We have achieved some progress. Therefore, today I also, in support of the governor's address and his initiative, would like to appeal and invite to all the honorable members of the August House, cutting across the political parties. We all have to join hands to implement this vision. One cannot do alone. And the situation that we are going through, our state is going through, to restore peace and normalcy, it is required for all of us to join hands across the political parties and bring peace and development. It is the need of the hour. Therefore, we are fortunate to have a wonderful leadership, and we are blessed with so many things. But it's unfortunate that so many things, unwanted things happening in Manipur, in our state. Therefore, it is time for all of us to join hands and come together as one people and restore peace, normalcy, and also jointly take up the development process in our state. So with these few words, I once again, through the Honorable Speaker, I want to submit my appeal to our August House to support the Governor's address. Thank you.
High level discussion on Governor's address ka mari lainana